The year has come to an end. Some people are celebrating what they have achieved. Some are proud of the goals they completed. Some are smiling at their success. But maybe you aren't one of them. Maybe when you look back, you only see unfinished dreams, goals you never started, promises you didn't keep, and a feeling that you wasted time. You feel like you failed, like you didn't do enough, like you lost something precious. But listen carefully. Failure is not the end. Failure is a wall, not to stop you, but to make you stronger, to test your patience, to shape who you can become. Maybe this year you were lazy, maybe you were scared, or maybe you simply didn't try enough. But the real question is, what will you do now? Because a new year is not a reset button. It is a new chance, a chance to start again, to begin small, to grow slowly, step by step, day by day. Do you know something? Big changes never begin with big decisions. They begin with one simple action: waking up early, reading one page, showing up for one small task. Not tomorrow, but today. This is the real victory. This is the new beginning. When someone improves just a little every day, time becomes their friend because time passes, but progress stays. Move a little today, move a little tomorrow, and one day you'll look back and realize you've changed, you've grown, you've become a new version of yourself. This year may be ending, but the beginning is not on the calendar. The beginning is inside you. So today, make a promise to yourself. This time I will focus on habits, not results. This time I will enjoy the process, not just the finish line. This time I will compete with only one person, myself. This is my small start. This is my journey. This is my new beginning.